Hey everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up brand color for your blog. The first thing that we are going to do is go to the dashboard, and from here, we need to go to the settings. Here you can see the design section. Click on that, and you will find this publication brand color. By default, it will be set to this purple color. And once you click on that, now you can choose any color that you want. Let's go ahead with this one. And you need to scroll down and you'll find the save button right here. Once this is saved, we can head over to our blog. And now let's discuss where we can see the brand colors. Now this particular post does not have any featured image. So you can see the brand color is being used in the background. And then we are putting the logo, and then we are putting the title of the post. Now let's look inside any of the post. Let's scroll down to the bottom. Here you see the color of the buttons are using the brand color for the newsletter and for the comments. So this is how it works, and the brand colors can be used to represent your brand.